Hey Andrew, why is my oil leaking after a fresh oil change?
Oh, okay. Well, whenever that happens, typically we're looking at one of two issues. One, either it wasn't properly torqued down, whether that's the bolt or was it the drain bolt right there, or the oil filter itself. Now, the other one, and this happens a lot more frequently, is usually there will be some residual oil that wasn't properly washed off.
Hey Eric, why
Yes.
is my oil leaking after a fresh oil change?
Probably the loop tech didn't torque the drain plug right, and then also maybe they didn't clean.